Editing a check sheet in Platinum Online. Tap Workshop. Next, tap Check Sheets. Then tap Manage Templates. Click on the check sheet you wish to edit, in this case, Check Unit In. Set the job type to the one required, in this case, General. Click Next. Scroll down to the required section and click the plus button to add a line to the check sheet. Enter a title and select type, in this case, Offside and checkbox. Scroll down and click Save to Draft. Then click Publish to deploy the check sheet for use. For further help, go to our Customer Support Hub, select Knowledge Base and select the Platinum Online category. Thank you very much for watching.